Hey, Mochi. Oh my god, he's so fluffy.
Hi guys, I'm Arleo. Welcome to the Kitchen Drink, where we're raiding your fridges and making some delicious crafty cocktails. Today I'm here with Mochi.
Yay!
And then I guess I'm also here with Wyni.
Yeah.
Wyni is an old high school friend of mine. It's been a good almost decade since we've seen each other.
Literally.
What have you been doing since high school, since college, I'm assuming?
Well, I actually never went to college. I just didn't apply. Ever since high school, I basically have been working professionally as an actor. This is so cute. We're just like embracing, just having a moment.
Cats get clicks. Hashtag cat bait. Click, click cat. No, don't go for
Oh
the
my
face.
god, no. I performed at the Comedy Store, the Laugh Factory, Flappers. Oh, Mochi's really into your...
My man bun.
Yep.
I don't think I can let go. In high school, I actually didn't drink. I don't know if you did.
I've definitely tried like my first sip of alcohol in high school, but I definitely was not drinking.
What kinds of things have you started liking drinking?
I love coffee. That's it for sure. I'm really into coffee cocktails.
Coffee cocktails.
Yeah. Have you ever made one before?
I have, so I may be
Okay.
cheating and be copying that for today.
Oh, I'm just super interested in what Mochi's doing with
Me
your
too.
man bun right now.
There's just gonna be like 20 minutes straight up of Mochi
I
playing with my
know.
hair.
Oh my god.
How's my hair?
It actually looks really good.
I'm gonna keep Mochi away from my hair now so that I can actually make a drink. You ready to go?
I'm ready.
Cool. You need to stop playing with my hair. We're gonna pop this fridge open and immediately this little kitten is curious what's in here. Except there isn't too much in here except for some old coffee, so we're gonna grab that. These jars have some interesting things, but ultimately we're gonna use some maple syrup. Mochi is suggesting we take a look down here at these wines, and I think I'm gonna go with this Chardonnay. Mochi won't let me close the door. I contemplated using popsicles, but since I grabbed the cold brew, I didn't feel like it would mesh, so we'll just grab the vodka and see if we can find any interesting spices. So I could have made the special ingredient with just the spice powder and maple syrup, but it would have been a little more difficult to make homogeneous. I can add more sweet if I need to, especially since we're working with cold brew. I don't know how much sweetener Wyni added to this initially, so I'm gonna give that a taste. And then put some cold brew and this quick made syrup together. I also don't know how old this wine is. We'll see if that's turned at all. After I finally get the vodka in the tin, I'm gonna give this a taste test and realize my syrup dilution was definitely more diluted and less of a syrup. Give this a shake and strain not into the bottle but into this deli cup. I like using deli cups because if you're careful enough, you don't need a funnel. I mean, it's still suggested. It took a really long time for me to get the ice cubes in there, so now that the ice is finally in the bottle, let's see what Wyni thinks. Yay!
Yay! Was he your helper?
Sure. Alright, so here we go.
I love this bottle, by the way.
We'll get him back later.
He'll come back. Wait, what? It's really good. Well, I definitely taste coffee.
You can see coffee.
I can see coffee. Possibly my cold brew. I feel like I taste some whiskey or scotch. Am I totally off? I taste some like caramel, maybe some honey or maple syrup, but it's got like a very good like chocolate caramelly taste. That's really good. It's like, and I love the bottle that you chose with the new metal straws. It gives you like a bit of like that caffeine like up, but then it's also relaxing.
Now that I think about it, you might want to be careful how much you drink. I just realized how much ABV is actually in there.
Yeah, I'm gonna drink this cautiously.
Oh, you're already
Is that the word? I can't even say, but maybe I'm already drunk. I don't know.
Oh,
Yeah.
he's grumpy that I'm doing this.
Moch.
Cheers.
Cheers, Moch.
Boop.
I'm curious if you put anything weird in it, though.
I kind of did. There's nothing like super weird in there that you can taste.
Nothing like weird. Apple. Cinnamon. Lots of cinnamon. So
Yeah,
curious.
time to find out then?
Yeah, time to find out.
Alright, so I will give you back Mochi.
Okay.
Everything in this drink is pretty normal. You've seen some of my episodes. There have been things like hummus. I thought about it, but then I was like, I've done the hummus episode. What I haven't done is a coffee episode. What I used was
My favorite cold brew.
cold brew. Old cold brew.
From yesterday.
Yeah. In a nice biodegradable cup, a nice paper straw. And you know what goes great with coffee? Some sweetener sometimes. Sweetener and spice, actually. This became one ingredient. You were right about the cinnamon. The other part that went with that cinnamon was some maple syrup.
Okay,
Yeah.
I did taste maple.
Oh, wait. It's pumpkin pie spice, not cinnamon.
Pumpkin pie.
Pumpkin pie spice is basically cinnamon, allspice, cloves, and a little bit of ginger, so it's not surprising that the cinnamon was like very pronounced there.
Yeah.
Basically, this is a basic white girl drink. I'm sorry.
Is it though? because the cold brew I feel like is pretty badass.
Like, it's not like a pumpkin spice latte.
That's
it's just
right.
the fact that I use pumpkin pie spice.
Like, oh, Mochi's doing what Mochi
Hey,
did
now you know how I felt earlier.
to you. I really do. Mochi, my god. Okay.
So yeah, I actually made a pretty weak dilution of pumpkin pie spice with water and maple syrup. Not super sweet. I don't want to make it too
I don't
sweet.
like super sweet either.
Yeah.
I'm not into that. And I didn't notice it being very sweet.
I went very basic with the liquor. Vodka.
Vodka!
This is
Which I
yeah.
forgot I had in my freezer, by the way.
There are obviously good whiskey coffee drinks. Vodka is the main liquor in there. It's coffee vodka so far. It was actually kind of a good thing it was a vodka instead of whiskey because I don't
Yeah.
think I could have used the last ingredient I have. So you know how you said you tasted apples?
Yeah.
I think I know why.
Why?
Slightly old wine.
That's hilarious.
I use this to add a little bit more acidity back into the drink. The acid is slightly oxidized wine. Our Chardonnay is filled with flavors of green apple.
Oh! I love it. How much did you use of that?
Ended up using about 1.5 ounces. There are 2 ounces of vodka and 1.5 ounces of wine in there.
It's very strong. I'm already like a little tipsy. I told him I was like, I don't really day drink, but
Mochi, you ready? I'm ready.
yeah.
So guys, that's Winnie's kitchen drink where we put in everything but the kitchen sink. Remember to drink responsibly. Bye.
Bye. Just kidding.
That's a lot of caffeine.
That's a lot.
Bye.
Bye.
And here we see a wild mochi in its natural habitat. What a beautiful sight.